Together, we can share fun, joy, and what we love. Welcome back to abgfahrä. The first 2 seasons were just a warm-up to what you're about to see. And I can't wait for you to watch it. We are going to talk about something that no one else talks about. This is the dark truth, the battle between astonishing cars and people like you and me. You can see, this is an expensive, handmade McLaren, made to flex on social media. But I have some problems with it. Because, well, firstly, this car is a stark reminder for me of the ever-growing differences in this world between the have-nots and the have-yachts. It is a thing which drives us, most of all, apart. Because, for most people, cars like this aren't visible, let alone attainable. The rich buy them much too often just to hide away. Or worse, simply as an investment. Completely disregarding the unbelievable amount of human labor, energy and time that went into designing and producing it. It doesn't help either that our planet suffered tremendously to provide the materials for it. Second of all, it is, if we're honest, rather unnecessary. Because there are other cars that are much kinder to the environment, or are able to carry more people, or don't stand out as much. On the other hand, sitting in this car takes my heart and my mind to a place of fun, joy and pure excitement.
Let's see what this thing can do! Oh, this is my first supercar, to be honest!
If you are like me, you think you are prepared for it. You think you know what you're about to experience. But trust me, you don't. The acceleration of the 4-liter V8 twin-turbo with 720 horsepower is relentless and raw. It is like when you pee.
Because once you start peeing, you can't stop. And once this car sets off, it just doesn't want to stop. It just keeps on going.
This is a brutal, bare-bone beast. This isn't like any other car, because it is
therapeutic. Because once you get in it, your problems can't keep up with you. It's just too much fun. You know what? What a thing! You know what? Still, all this for the rich motherfucker owning the thing. But what value does it provide to the rest of us?
To start, just looking at this astonishing car makes me feel excited, alive and full of admiration.
And this isn't my car, by the way.
But it makes me want to do better, want to be better. It really makes me want to live up the excellence, sophistication and extravagance that this car possesses. At the same time, it takes me back to youthful, carefree days, when I spent time on the floor playing with toy cars. To sum up, is this car bad for the environment? What car isn't? And yes, it is tremendously expensive. But it has the ability to bring us together, because it casts its spell whether you own it or just see it drive by.
Because in the end, what makes life really worth living? That we can come together and share fun, joy and what we love. Together.
Let me finish by saying a big thank you to everyone who worked with us. You gave your time, energy and trust for free. The only budget we had, we used to rent gear. So a big thank you to everyone. Without you, this simply wouldn't have been possible. It would have stayed just a dream.
Is it real?